and welcome to this week's YouTube video. Do you struggle to make your paintings look realistic? Do they just look off and you're not quite sure why? 99 out of 100 times your issue will either be incorrect drawing or incorrect values. I am going to show you 2 quick and simple tips to help you check these and improve your painting. Drawing is the most important element to any painting, and it is the one that artists struggle with the most. It is very easy in the throes of a painting to push out your drawing. If your drawing is incorrect, it doesn't matter how well you paint it, it will look wrong. Here are 2 different methods for checking your drawing when painting. If you are working on a small painting, no more than say A4 size or 12 by 10 inches, you can try this method. Once you have correctly drawn your object onto the canvas or paper, take a piece of cellophane and lay it over the top. I use a permanent marker and then draw my objects onto it, just like this. At various points during the painting, you can hold this cellophane up to your canvas and check your drawing. I use this method when working on commissions, as I want to work as quickly and as accurately as possible. If you are working on larger paintings, you can try the sight size method. The artwork needs to be the same size as the object you are working from. If you are working from life, you need to be positioned so that you can easily view the subject and the painting so they appear the same visual size. When standing back, you should be able to view both side by side. This will enable you to accurately assess proportions and see any drawing errors. At various points during the life cycle of your painting, you should keep standing back and comparing the 2 to check your drawing is correct. If you are working from a photograph, print your reference photo out to the same size as your painting and place them side by side. Just like before, stand back at various points during the painting to check your drawing is correct. Value is the lightness and darkness of a colour. Correct value, how light or dark your painting is more important than correct colour. Think about a monochromatic painting, done maybe in just 2 colours, one being a dark hue and the other a white. It will work despite being absent of colour. The eye struggles to see colour and value at the same time, which is why it is often hard to see when you are wrong. You may be seeing a shift in temperature rather than value, and your eyes are deceiving you. I always work with a black and white reference photo, no matter what I am painting, as well as either a colour photo or my still life setup. During the painting process, I can check my value first, how light and dark it is, then my colour. At various points during my painting, I will photograph my artwork and turn it into black and white. I use my iPhone, edit, the middle setting, then choose mono. I will then flick between my black and white reference photo and my black and white painting, just like this. In the latter stages of my painting, I take lots and lots of photos. You can see from this example how many I had to take before I got the values correct. Be aware that your iPhone takes quite general photos and can skew them quite a bit with some adjustments. When viewing your photos side by side, look for obvious areas where you are out. Don't be too literal with using your camera in this way, because depending on your lighting setup, your painting may shoot darker or lighter than the subject you are working from. I hope you have enjoyed today's video and found it useful. Please like and subscribe if you can, and check out my website sarahhallidayart.com, where you will find examples of my work and also details of online classes that I run. Thank you for watching, and see you for the next one.